Hey there, so I wanted to make this video about 2002 Chevy Astro Van. I it started to the engine light started to blink. I had taken it to AutoZone. Their diagnosis, they were saying, was had something to do with the distributor and the cap and rotor. Now, my symptoms on my 2002 Chevy Astro van was that I would go to start it and it would crank over, and then finally fire. Now it's right, it's fixed, 100%, completely fixed. The code that AutoZone had said was P0300, misfiring, unknown misfire. So I had previously replaced my distributor, my cap and my rotor, all the spark plugs, the wires, and the coil, and started to learn about these vans and these spider fuel injection systems. This here is part of that system. This is a fuel pressure regulator that was bad and it was leaking, causing the van to not start right away. This is a tip for anybody that owns an Astro van that maybe they have a long cranking time. This is most likely it. My van actually started having these problems around 85,000 miles or so. It now has 100,000 miles. I've been driving with it for a long time. So give it a shot. It's not that hard. It's gonna take some time though. You have to take the doghouse off, opening your engine hood, take off the air filter and map sensor, and get under to that little airbox plenum there. Get underneath it, right underneath it. You'll see once you take the cover off, this will be facing down, and there will be a clip that goes up in there, so it'll slide in there, keeping it in place. Just basically like a spring clip. So there'll also be a screen and a rubber O-ring. You'll want to put the O-ring in first, then put this with the screen on it into it. It's going to make it easier to install. So don't leave it on there and try to push it in. What I'm telling you to do is put the O-ring inside the hole where this goes first, then push this on. Make sure it's seated good, facing down. That's how mine was. Yeah, I replaced this last night, and she is fixed. Fires right up. 100,000 miles, no codes. I'm about to take it for a test drive. Alrighty, hope this helps anybody that you're struggling with a P0300 misfire code, check out the fuel pressure regulator. All right, thanks. Have a good day.